Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a massive update for you. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been revealed, and it's packing some jaw-dropping changes. From sleek new design tweaks to revolutionary AI and display upgrades, this phone might just redefine what a flagship smartphone means. Let's dive straight into all the exciting details. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is just around the corner, with the Samsung Unpacked event rumored for January 22, 2025. Thanks to some fresh leaks, we now have a real-world glimpse of the phone, and it's already making waves. So, what's new? The rounded edges are a significant departure from the sharp corners we've seen in Galaxy Ultra models since 2020. These changes aren't just for looks, they're all about comfort and ergonomics. Holding this device will likely feel much smoother and more natural in your hand. The bezels are now ultra-thin, slimmer than any other phone out there, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's a visual treat that truly makes the display pop. Prolific leakers like Ice Universe and others have confirmed these updates, with images showcasing the right side of the phone and its glossy metallic finish. These rounded corners and premium materials, like titanium, enhance durability without compromising on weight. Redesigned aesthetics and new features. Let's talk about the design overhaul. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is slightly taller and narrower, improving its usability and giving it a more elegant feel. The screen is rumored to measure 6.86 inches, slightly larger than its predecessor. This minor size bump brings a big leap in handling and usability. On the rear, we see a familiar camera setup, but with a twist. The camera rings feature a new texture inspired by the Fold series. These rings house 4 image sensors and a TOF lens, with an LED flash neatly positioned between the smaller sensors. Speaking of cameras, while we didn't see the rumored changes in the leaked images, the refinements indicate Samsung's focus on delivering professional-grade photography. No Galaxy Ultra would be complete without the iconic S Pen. This time, the stylus gets a slight redesign. A more curved tip to align with the phone's rounded edges. It's been repositioned for easier access. Though subtle, these updates ensure that the S Pen remains a seamless part of the Galaxy experience, even as the device evolves. Now, let's talk about AI. Samsung is playing it close to the chest here, but leakers like Ice Universe promise game-changing advancements that could leave even Apple scrambling to catch up. The Galaxy AI integrated with One UI 7 is expected to redefine what artificial intelligence can do on a smartphone. Samsung's decision to keep these features under wraps is likely to generate major buzz during the official launch. This rivalry between Samsung and Apple is heating up, and it seems Samsung is determined to prove who's boss in the AI game. Samsung is pushing display technology to the next level. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a peak brightness of 3000 nits, beating the already bright S24 Ultra. It uses refined M13 OLED panel technology, delivering stunning colors and visuals. Durability is also getting a boost with second-generation Gorilla Glass armor, which promises better scratch and shatter resistance. Plus, we're hoping Samsung has addressed the wear-off issues with the oleophobic coating that some users experienced on the S24 Ultra. Finally, the color options are worth mentioning. While the leaks highlight classic silver and black hues, the signature titanium blue is expected to be a standout choice. Online exclusive colors could add even more variety to the mix. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be more than just a smartphone, it's a statement. From design to AI to durability, it's clear Samsung aims to dominate the flagship space in 2025. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Galaxy S25 Ultra,
according to trusted leaker Ice Universe, Samsung is making some significant changes to the design of their new flagship phone. First off, the S25 Ultra will ditch the sharp corners seen in the S24 Ultra. Instead, the new design will feature an asymmetrical frame that's more comfortable to hold. The frame will be rounded near the back and straighter near the display, addressing previous complaints about the uncomfortable edges and bulky frame of the S24 Ultra. But that's not all. Samsung is also slimming down the middle frame. While the frame width will be similar to the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra will be thinner overall, measuring just 8.4 millimeters compared to the S24 Ultra's 8.6 millimeters. This reduction should make the S25 Ultra easier to hold and handle. Another exciting improvement is the appearance of the bezels. The S24 Ultra had bezels that looked larger because of the big middle frame, even though they were actually 42% slimmer than the S23 Ultras. With the S25 Ultra, the bezels are expected to look even thinner, giving the phone a sleeker appearance. Ice Universe also mentioned that the design for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is finalized, even though we're still about 6 months away from its release. It looks like the phone will keep the flat screen from its predecessor, but these small design tweaks are really going to improve daily usability. Kudos to Samsung for paying attention to these important details.
From groundbreaking performance to design tweaks and camera upgrades, this device might just redefine the smartphone game. So, stick around, and let's get into it. The Galaxy S25 Ultra continues Samsung's journey of refining its flagship designs. Remember the bold shift with the S22 Ultra's boxy note-inspired shape? Now, Samsung is adding a touch of comfort. The S25 Ultra features slightly rounded corners, making it easier to handle while still looking ultra-premium. But there's more. The frame now seamlessly connects to the back panel, ensuring a smooth and ergonomic feel. Sharp edges? Say goodbye to those. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's OLED screen faced criticism for its grainy texture. Samsung listened. The S25 Ultra will come equipped with M13 OLED materials, promising a clearer, more vibrant display. Say hello to sharper visuals and a top-notch viewing experience. Rumors even suggest that Samsung might step up to M14 OLED materials for brighter screens, better colors, and improved viewing angles. Fingers crossed for that upgrade. While the zoom camera remains unchanged, Samsung is betting big on the ultra-wide lens. The S25 Ultra will feature a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera with the Samsung ISO-CELLJN3 sensor. This means better details, more vibrant shots, and an upgraded photography experience. If you're a fan of multitasking or gaming, you're in for a treat. The S25 Ultra takes RAM to the next level with options for 12GB and 16GB. It's rumored that the 1TB storage variant will come with 16GB of RAM, making processing, gaming, and multitasking smoother than ever. Mark your calendars. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in late January 2025, with the Unpacked event happening earlier in the month. But here's the catch. Due to the higher cost of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, Samsung is likely to raise prices across all models. To offset this, the brand is cutting costs in areas like display and camera sensors. Will this strategy pay off? Only time will tell. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in 4 titanium colors: black, blue, gold, and silver. While these are confirmed, online exclusive colors may also be announced closer to launch. We've seen leaks of the S25 Ultra running One UI 7.0 on Android 15. Reputable sources like Ice Universe confirm its glossy metallic finish, rounded corners, and iconic camera setup. Interestingly, the rumored ridge design for the camera rings from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is missing here. However, leaked tempered glass images hint at subtle tweaks like slightly curved edges for better grip and comfort. Gamers, rejoice! The Galaxy S25 series will feature Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine 2.0, which interpolates frame rates. This means games capped at 60 FPS can now run smoothly at 120 FPS, offering a next-level gaming experience. The S25 Ultra is expected to have thinner bezels, making it the sleekest device in the Galaxy lineup. Combined with its softened corners and iconic design, this phone is built to balance aesthetics and usability perfectly. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.